Assalamu alaikum everyone. How is everyone? And it was a pleasant day today. I was just admiring my garden. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, tabarakallah feek. I got lots of things growing in there: plum tree, apples, olive tree, cherry tree. I've got so many trees in there. So alhamdulillah. Right, so I wanted to read something out of a book that my son gifted me. It's called Timeless Seeds of Advice. And I'll just read it from it. From the wise sayings of Luqman. If you are in prayer, take care of your heart. If you are eating, then take care of your throat. If you are in another man's house, then take care of your eyes. If you are among people, then take care of your tongue. Remember 2 matters and forget 2 matters. Remember that Allah and death. Forget any good you have done to another and any evil that was done to you by another. So kitni achhi advice hai you know, be a wise person and try not to hurt anyone, especially with the tongue. Because ਜਦੋਂ ਮੂੰਹ ਚੋਂ ਗੱਲ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਨਾ ਔਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ hurt ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, when you hurt someone by saying something, ਉਹ ਤਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਭੁੱਲਦੀ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਕੋਈ hurt ਕਰੇ with their words, ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਰੀ ਉਮਰ ਯਾਦ ਰਹੇਗਾ. ਮੈਂ ਮਾਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੀ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮਾਫ ਕਰਨਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਅੱਲਾ ਵਾਸਤੇ. So guys, please subscribe, like, share, comment my channel please. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.